Well, if we need to go to Metropolis, let's go to Iridia first. 0 of 4.
Mayday! This is
Oh,
the solar ship Radical.
circle is to play info bot. Triangle is to exit. There are 3 gold bolts here. Let's just go ahead and head on off to Iridia. Pretty sure there's an achievement for getting all the gold bolts. It's a little dark here. Oh, are we free? We are free. Let's see. Anything new to buy? No.
Hi there, fuzzball.
Let's go this way then. No reason in particular. Hey, look!
It's
Skid
him,
McMarks.
Skid McMarks.
That man from the infobot.
In the flesh, little dude. You guys get a load of that epic space battle I was in?
We saw you, screaming for help.
That was like a war cry. My agent and I got ambushed on the way to hoverboard practice.
Did he survive the crash, sir?
He's okay, but I've had a little trouble getting back to my ship due to my sprained ankle.
Oh, come on.
If you can take out all the sand sharks, I just might have a spare hoverboard for you.
We'd love to help you, Mr. McMarks, but Ratchet and I need to find Captain...
One of your boards? I've always wanted a decent hoverboard. Well, alright. You just keep that foot elevated.
Destroy the sand sharks. Okay. There's quite a lot of them. Well, this thing's making more of them. Oh, I didn't even see the picture of that thing down in the bottom right. I saw the one of the sharks on the bottom left. So there's 2 of them over here. Alright, just use the bomb, blow them all up. Oh, Jesus, these guys are about to take me out. That's because that guy's not dead yet. I thought I had taken him out, but I guess not. Oh, there's still more coming? Whew. There's health up here, so let's go grab that. That looks like it might be explosive. Yep, just a little bit. Alright. I only got a couple of bombs left, unfortunately. Look around. I can grab a couple. Ooh. I guess that's quicksand. Oh yeah, I do have the other thing. Oh no. I got surrounded. There's nothing you can do about that. Ooh, health. Because there's only 12 more, but there's still 4 of these things. Okay, good. Got some health back. Oh, there's another one right there on the platform. Well, that is quite the noise it makes if you are out of ammo. Alright, there's only 2 left, but there's also 2 of the spawners, so there's gonna be more of them after I find them. think I didn't. Yeah, right here. You climb up this side of this wall. Full health. And there we go.
Here, man. Catch.
A brand new Z3000. You can't even buy these.
Well, I got a bail. Catch you dudes at the hoverboard races.
You've
Yeah?
just acquired a Gadgetron Z3000 hoverboard. Use your new hoverboard at the racetrack in Blackwater City on Planet Rilgar.
So we got to go all the way to Blackwater City in order to even use it. I thought we'd be able to use it now. Oh well. Oh. Okay. Well, they are old. It is an old game. Things are a little glitchy. Yeah, the Pyrometer working real well for me now. Now that I'm not fighting ranged enemies, it's easier to get up close with one of these. Oh, he's got his own. It's over here. Oh, this is just where I came from. Oh, Jesus, but it's a good thing I always make a quick lap back, because I about missed all of that. Let's get everything we can. Alright, onto the little lift pad here. That was nice and trippy to look at. Follow the conveyor belt. Beat this guy up. I actually like to go the other way, because this looks and feels like the way that I'm supposed to go.
You will need a Gadgetron swing shot to traverse this area. Our records
So I can't go
indicate
that
the
way
swing
anyway.
shot is not available on this planet.
Well, at least it tells you that you can't go any further. Let's see. A lot of stuff going on, going around. Where does this take us? Oh, this takes us down. Looking around. Well, at least we don't have to fight any more of those sharks. Oh, I spoke way too soon. Yeah, the flamethrower works best for those guys, because they all come charging at you. There's some ledges that we can grab on. Very clearly marked. So are these like Crash Bandicoot? They are, okay. So if I just touch them, they'll go off. There's something over here? Or is this is just the other side? At least I can double jump. Makes it that much easier in an action platformer game like this. Kablooey. Oh, but you can't climb up over here on this side. So if you come over here, you have to go back to this side. That's why they put that there. That's fair. Although I want to know who decided it would be a good idea to label these. Like, who said that this was how we're supposed to get up this way? I wonder if I can get up to the third one. No, it doesn't look like I can. There might be a way, I just can't do it right now. Oop. Uh-oh. Where am I? I'm on this side, so I'll have to go over here. But say I'll make sure that I'm on it this time. And kaboom! Oh, I almost didn't notice that this was something I could climb. Oh, over here then.
No signal whatsoever. This downtime is killing me.
Do you need medical attention, sir?
Don't be so literal, son. The problem is I'm stranded on this backwater planet and my star client is nowhere to be found.
Hey, we saw you on that info bot. You're Skid's agent.
Was Skid's agent. Haven't seen him since our ship crashed. And an agent without a client is like a flea without a dog. Say, you look like an athletic kid. If you can bring back the championship prize from the hoverboard races in Blackwater City, I'll make you my next star.
We have no time for trivial matters, sir.
I could be the next Skid McMarks.
But I have to win. It's an interesting thing. So there's no point in coming this far. What does this do? This is a nifty little transport system. Well, I guess that's everything that we can do on this planet now. Well, I mean, that's fine. It's not like we have to do everything all at once. We still haven't gotten any of the golden bolts. But we're not going to get to the games for a while. The races. At least that's what it feels like. Planet Kerwan. Let's just make sure we get all the money we can, first and foremost. That looks like Captain Quirk.
I got some great bargains.
Oh, a
for
new
you.
gun. Just a blaster.
That's a real beauty.
Welcome to the Captain Quirk Fitness Course. If you're strong enough, fast enough, and clever enough to beat my fitness challenge, you will receive a reward from my head trainer. Simply make your way to the third island to complete the course. Good luck. Quirk Enterprises is not responsible for sprains, broken bones, snapped tendons, bruised egos, or accidental death incurred while taking the challenge.
Excuse me, Captain, but we have more pressing issues. We urgently need your assistance.
Clank,
Yes?
do you notice anything unusual about Captain Quark?
Well, I find the fact that he has a spring where his leg should be to be quite puzzling.
And why do you think that is?
Possibly an injury incurred while battling evil?
This isn't the real Captain Quark, you numbskull. It's a robot.
Oh.
I saw a swing shot post, so I don't know if I can go that way right now. We'll go back that way if there's nothing else the other way, in the other direction. But it didn't look like there was anything that we could...
To quickly center the camera, just tap the L1 button.
Ooh! That's like a machine gun. That was on me. Well, it's not good for exploding bombs. Bad puppy. Man, the ammo goes quick. Almost gotta wonder if it's worth using. You're not about to tell me you're gonna fight me, huh? Uh-oh. He didn't fight me, but he did try to. Before I go too far. He's just gonna stand across that bridge, it looks like. I didn't even see what that guy did. Looked like he had a rocket or a missile launcher on his back. Yes, more bomb glove ammo. Hey look, it's the robot with the wrench. This must be Big Al's workshop then.
Ratchet, that's the man we saw on the infobot. Remember? He knows Captain Quark.
Hey, you're that robot guy, right?
No, actually, I build robots. I myself am not a robot guy, per se.
Nerd.
I like him.
So, now that we've cleared that up, what can I do for you?
Well, we saw your infobot announcement. You were with Captain Quark. We're trying to find Captain Quark. We thought you could help us.
Your logic is commendable. However, I haven't seen Captain Quark since we shot that commercial. Say, do you run on standard XP18 sister boards?
Version 7.66.
Back at ya. I may be able to help you out after all. How does a helipack upgrade sound?
Upgrade?
Natch. Since he's a 766, I could have the little guy up and flying in no time. Of course, I'll just need my fee for service.
For 1,000 bolts for a helipack.
Okay, this won't hurt a bit.
Hey, wait. Ratchet, am I cool now?
Yeah, you the man, Clank.
You're welcome.
You got the helipack upgrade. Well, it's a good thing we're getting enough bolts to buy all this
Try
stuff.
using the helipack's boost jump feature to climb these boxes. Press the R1 button to crouch, then jump.
Let's do just that then. That's a much higher jump than normal.
You'll need your new helipack stretch jump feature to cross this gap. While you're running, crouch using the R1 button and then jump.
So you gotta do it while you're sliding. Ooh. Can I go through this? No. So you can also move while you're... Okay, I can't quite get up there. Uh-oh. Oh, I can glide too. All of this is, you know, helpful information. Do I even need that? Not really. Now we have a little bit more mobility. There might be more secrets going on.
Try using the glide feature.
That's how I
in
get
the
over here.
Jump, and then press and hold the X button in midair to glide.
I want one of those. I want to fire missiles at people. Going up. Well, if he's gone, I'm just gonna take my time. Let's switch over to the blaster. What the hell? I don't really know what hit me there. You know what I should have checked? Let's see if they're... It's an old game, so probably not. But oh, they do have subtitles. I should have checked that first. I figured games as old, going as old as PS2, probably wouldn't have them. But I've been wrong. Nice. Alright, there's some more of these wooden boxes around. Oh, that's a lot. Let's see if I can climb these. Oop. Well, I made it around them. I could also have broken them, but I was trying to... Trying to get on top of them. Alright, let's see. Well, there's nothing special around here. I was hoping there would be. Would have been a great place for a secret. Look at all those bolts I left. Well, that did not work like I wanted it to. They're not all bolts. There are a couple of washers and nuts in there too, it looks like. They're only 2 colors though, so I wonder if that means that they don't mate for different selling amounts. Oh, hey, look at that. That looks like a gold bolt over there. Alright, simple enemies. Can I get up there with just a... No, not quite. This looks a little taller, though. Oh. I don't know if that's how I'm supposed to do it or not, but that's a gold bolt. Yeah, I don't think that's how I was supposed to do it. I think that I was supposed to get up there a harder way. Let's grab these bolts. Yeah, it looks like this would have been perfect for... Yeah. Oh well, what's done is done. I did it my way. Which is arguably better. Whee! This is much faster than walking, Jesus. But also more dangerous. I could see me falling into a gap or something. Can I move now? I'm guessing I need to get to the front of the train. That was bad. I jumped, and then when I double jumped, I did like a thing where it pushed me. Oh, I gotta start it all over? Alright, well, let's not fall off the train. Not like I was trying to, but it is how it is. Alright, don't double jump. Grab the bomb. Yeah, it's like I'm pushing the jump button, but I'm pushing it long enough that it activates the helipad just enough for it to be really bad for me. Alright, we made it. And perfect timing. We came to a stop. I just wanted the info bot. Oh, it's running away. Oh, is that what he's doing? He's dropping mines.
Greetings, Executive Chairman Drek.
Dispense with the pleasantries, Lieutenant. My sources tell me you're behind schedule. You must prepare this planet to be harvested for our new world.
Yes, sir. As you can see, everything is moving along as planned.
I'm counting on you, Lieutenant. And as your former commander can tell you, I don't take disappointment well.
Yes, sir. I won't fail.
Drek is destroying yet another planet.
Yeah, but if that's the kind of help he's getting, I don't think we have anything to worry about.
You should not underestimate Chairman Drek. He is quite dangerous. We must find Captain Quark.
Look, that lieutenant doesn't seem so tough. Let's take him out ourselves.
Perhaps we can persuade the lieutenant to tell us where Drek is.
Now you're talking.
Well, that's definitely something we could do. Planet Eudora. Whee! I didn't get to open this direction. Well, there's not a whole lot here. Just a little bit of money. Guess I didn't need the health either. That being said, I did die. Huh, the mines despawned. And where's this taking us? Oh. Well, we don't have what we need to do that yet. Because it looks like we needed the swing shot. Can I get back? Oh, there it is. Well, you know what? I'd say we've been playing long enough. I'm going to go ahead and call it a day. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the idea of playing through the Ratchet and Clank series. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.